more connected. Because you need to laugh. You need to relax a lot. You know, those things that make you laugh, you smile more, so that you'll be in a happy place. That's why people pay $500,000 to just go and listen to both of them. And those rich men, you think they are mad. They buy a table. And that's why they are so successful. They are in a board meeting or whatever meeting. They are taking sound decisions because they are coming from a place of reason. Okay, so we can't pay $1 million to watch comedy, but then we have it everywhere right now, right?
Yeah.
So think. So when your rational mind and your emotional mind mix up, you come up with a wise decision. Think well. Any decision you take will be good. You will not even know how it happened, but you just know that you may just need to keep quiet, but then you have the strength to keep quiet. You have the strength to walk away. You will be able to open your mouth, and the next thing you say, you will even amaze yourself. Like, was that the one I just said? So you are now responding instead of reacting to situations, right? Number 2 is to create an emotional and reason list. So you want to take a major decision in your life or about something, get a piece of paper and say everything your emotion is telling you to do. You know, because first of all, that is refusing these negative emotions. They're just harassing you. You know, you're always thinking. There are some thoughts that will not just let you go. It's just there, just coming back, tormenting you, torturing you.
And because of that, $20 million. I look myself.
Controlling your emotions, you have to control both the good and the bad ones. So being overly excited is not appropriate sometimes. Maybe when you are with your friends, you can, you know, show your...
There's sometimes when I get angry, I tend to make wrong decisions, wrong decisions. It's really not, I'm working on it anyway, because what I started doing, if I don't make decisions, then if I go back and start doing all these things, that's when I rationalize and come with logical decisions. But how can I help to manage that situation whereby if I'm angry, I don't make decisions? Take for instance, this guy said something that I don't like and it really got me, you know, I could just go rationally thinking, thinking it through and apologize to him and tell him, make up. That's why I manage that.
So how do you manage the situation when you're angry? How do you stop yourself from acting based on your emotions instead of your rational brain? So it goes back to that breathing thing. Have you tried it?
I think I have, but it doesn't work. Because the way I walk, my mind will not just go trying, thinking of breathing. My mind don't just go there. It's just blank. Such of the situation.
It's because you're not aware of the strategy. You're not conscious of the strategy. Because there is no like technical thing. You want me to tell you one big thing. Life solutions are simple and available. So this is the solution. But if you're not using it, because it's not easy to use. Okay? I'm even practicing it, right? Sometimes I fail too. So that by saying deep breath doesn't mean that every time you succeed. But the more you use it, the more it becomes second nature to you. So there is a pathway. Okay, go back to that brain picture. So you see this part. This part, for some people, is bush. Some people, for some people, it's just small, tiny parts. And some people, it's 6 lane express. So those people, whenever something happens, immediately they are here. Immediately. Why? It's practice. So as you begin to practice it, if your own was bush before, to be clear and small, so you know when footpaths, you are passing grass now. At first, the first day, nothing, no effect. The second day, it will take some time, then you will now start creating a pathway. So you need to create a pathway from here to here. And what creates that pathway is your practice, the frequency of your practice. The more you move from here to here to here to here to here, you open up. After some time, it becomes second nature. But if you don't even practice it, because this station, there's no way, I don't know what formula to tell you guys. You have to do this for you to get. You are already using your rational brain. You're not reacting based on your emotions. Okay? So if you can get yourself to calm down in that stressful situation, which you have to practice, then it's good to express yourself. It's not good to carry things in your mind and you're not telling the person. But if you say it in an angry way, it doesn't even, you have not made any point. You already just increased the whole wahala. Yes, you have made the matters worse. You made it worse. So try to get yourself, try to calm yourself down. So it's important that you are breathing right at all times. So that the ones you can handle there and then you should. The ones you need to take some time. Because you find out that if you calm down, you will see that it's not even worth